Hello, welcome back. In this section, we are focusing on managing processes and monitoring system performance. This lesson is all about learning to track what's happening on your system and ensuring everything runs smoothly. First off, let's define what we mean by a process in Linux. A process is basically any program which is running or task on your system. Every action or application has a unique process ID or PID. With Linux, we have powerful commands to view, monitor, and control these processes. So, in this lesson or section, we will learn how to manage the process and monitor system performance. We will be using commands like ps, top, htop, kill, and df to monitor and control processes and check the disk usage. So, without wasting much time, let's go and do this on our Ubuntu system. Yeah, so I'm on my Ubuntu VM. Now for this one, I will go ahead with the first command, which is the ps. ps is a quick command to display processes active in your current session. So if I do a ps, you will see all the process. You will see the PID, which is the process ID, and the time, and the CMD. I mean this is basically the bash shell, right? The super user. Okay, and this is the line. Okay, tty. Now you do have an extended command for the ps, which is ps and then space aux. This will provide a full view showing all processes across all sessions. Okay, this will show all processes across all the sessions, right? So this is the ps command. Now the second command that I want to talk about is the top command. The top command is great for real-time monitoring or system activity of the system activity. It dynamically shows processes with details like CPU and memory usage. So let's see top. So you can see the process ID here, the user, and then you have the CPU, you have the memory, and timestamp and the command, right? So this is the top. Within top, you need to press Q or P to sort by CPU usage. If you do a P, it will sort by CPU usage, the highest on the top, sorry, highest on the top. And if you want to sort by memory, press M and it will give you the sorted view top down by memory usage, M, and P for the process. Okay, P. Okay, and if you want to quit, you just press Q and you come out of the top view. Now we have another variant of this which is for enhanced monitoring, that is with htop. This is like an advanced version of top, offering a more interactive and colorful interface. It's easier to navigate but may require installation. Now we'll see. If I do htop, it's not by default there, so you have to do this apt install htop, copy and then paste and hit enter. Now you install this, and then after installing this package in your system, you will do the same command again and it will run. Now you can see all this here. It's like an advanced version of the top, but it's colorful as well. In a stop, use the what do you say, arrow keys to navigate, and F9. You can just use the arrow key. You can see this is moving the line blue, and F9 to kill a process and Q to go. Now if you want to kill a process, you will just go here and do an F9 on this and you killed it. Enter, send. I basically killed my htop itself, right? And you can do a Q for quit again, like the top. Okay, now we'll talk about the kill command. If a process is misbehaving, you can stop it using the kill command followed by the process ID, which you can find by ps or top. So for example, I do a ps, that is for this session, or I can do ps aux for all the sessions across. I can see the process ID, which is this one. So for example, I want to kill something, I'll go ahead and use that kill after that the process IDs. For example, I want to kill 4141 like this. I will kill it. Now I will see 4141 is again started basically. Okay, so you can use that process ID. Okay, if kill doesn't work, you can forcefully end a process, kill and then dash 9, but use this carefully as it doesn't allow the process to close properly. Okay, so for example, if I do this and do a dash 9 before that and do this, so 4141 basically it's starting again. We should find something which is not okay. Let's say I'll go and run this Firefox. Okay, and PS I should have this Firefox somewhere, or I can do a top here. Yeah, I have this Firefox. I can see this here, and I can see the process ID is something like 400 4403. Yeah, so I'll do a kill with the 44 some command. So I'll do q kill, that was 4403, gone, right? So I have to run this back again. Otherwise, if I do this, it will come back, right? For example, I say Google. Let me show you. So this is here, right? Like this Google. So if I do a top here and I see the Firefox is not here. Yeah, I see this. It is 5328. I'll do a Q, and now if I see here, it's still the Google and 545328, and now I'll say kill 5328 like this, and I hit here. It has to again restart because I killed it. Okay, so kill command is like that. Next command that we want to discuss is the checking the disk usage with df. So df and dash h, this df command checks how much disk space is being used on your file system. The minus or the dash h option makes it human readable, displaying size in MB or GB. So you can see all these available space used in percentage and size, right? You see all this. These are the SDA2 and SDA3 are the drives. Okay, so that was the df dash h. Now let's practice here what you can do in to reinforce these commands. Check processes with ps aux. You have ps aux that we went through. Then use top to watch system activity in real time. Try sorting by cpu, which is p and m for memory, right? P with the process. I think P is with the process. Yes, P is with the process, caps P, and M for memory. PM, right? PM, PM. Okay, good. And then if htop is not installed, you install by apt install htop. Once you do that, you can quit this by Q and then run htop. Also, you can navigate up down and enter to kill that basically command. You will have to press on F9. You basically go to that particular process and hit F9 and then enter to kill and escape to cancel, right? So again, Q for quit. Then you have the kill command, which you can kill a process using the process ID, and then you have the df dash h to check the system memory usage. Okay, to recap, today we learned to monitor and manage processes using the ps, top, htop, kill, and df command. This is crucial knowledge for maintaining a well-functioning Linux environment. Your challenge: open some apps, okay, use top to see their impact and use kill to stop one of them if needed. Now thanks for tuning in, and now I will see you in the next lecture, and till then, bye bye, take care, and join me in the next lecture.